Aquarius, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is from 15 to 21st of June 2020. Yeah, guys, thank you so much, guys, for your liking, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments on my channel. You guys are amazing, and I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, so many good vibes from me to you guys. And if you guys are new, please subscribe to my channel, it helps me a lot. And yeah, let's start your reading. This is for the Aquarius people, okay, from 15 to 21st of June 2020. So let's see what is coming for the Aquarius. Aquarius, you're the star of the tarot, okay, and I love that card. I love your energy right now. It's really exciting. So let's see what is coming for the Aquarius people from 15 to 21st of June. Okay, so let's cut the deck for you guys. This is for the Aquarius. Strength. This is your natural seventh. Whenever I saw this card, like, this is Leo, the natural seventh of the Aquarius. 8 of Wands, Knight of Wands, Queen of Swords, 5 of Pentacles, 9 of Wands, 10 of Swords, 6 of Swords, 6 of Cups, 4 of Wands. Wow, beautiful. So I'm feeling that, Aquarius, that there is going to be a conversation happen. That yes, definitely with the High Priestess energy, you know about it. You know it very well. Yeah, because this is High Priestess, the over like the intuition you're having right now. Your intuition is telling you that this is the thing, this is the communication which needed to resolve this situation between you and the other person. Okay, so with the Strength card, I'm feeling that the person you're dealing with must be a Leo. They are building up their courage to having this communication because you are very clear, you know each and everything, and you are also very ready for this communication, but they are building up their courage. Yeah, they are trying to be at the same position of yours. With the 8 of Wands, Knight of Wands, and the Queen of Swords, definitely you are ready. You're ready for speaking the truth, for listening the truth, for listening to the reasons. Whatever they are trying to tell you, you are ready for it. You're prepared. So they're coming for you for that communication which is needed for the resolution, for the betterment of this connection, because connection is there. The connection is really strong. 5 of Pentacles, 9 of Wands, and the 10 of Swords. So definitely all these lower vibration energies are going to be end with this 5 Pentacles. This is left out in the cold, feeling and very ignored, very alone, very ignored feeling. Yeah, and whatever was your guard is coming down right now, because you want to end this burden. You want to end this whatever is this burden by having this communication forever. With the 10 of Swords energy, 6 of Swords, 6 of Cups, and the 4 of Wands. Definitely they are coming for you because they think that they have had a very strong connection with you as well. They have had a very good time with you, like you have helped them or whatever. They are missing the good times with you. Yeah, and they can't forget that time with you. What is the Strength for the Aquarius? Eight of Pentacles, Hanged Man, King of Wands. Yeah, some of you are dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Aries is also here, very present. Sagittarius is here, Leo is here. Some of you are dealing with Pisces also, another Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Water sign is also here, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. So I'm feeling that this Leo is building up the courage and they want to put in the work with the Eight of Pentacles energy. And I'm feeling that they have had enough time to make the decision right now, and definitely they are enlightened with this hangman energy, and they have had their enlightenment. Now they're ready to take that action. Now they're ready to make their moves with a King of Wands energy, because this is action taker. So I'm feeling that they are coming for you, and they are also have planned some moves to make with you. What is this Knight of Wands for the Aqua? Five of Cups, Ace of Cups, Two of Wands. Yeah, they are coming for you because they think that if this time they will miss this chance, they will miss you, they will lost you, they will lose you forever. And you have also have in the back of your mind that I will end this situation forever by after having this communication with this person, because you are moving on, and they want to come forward to you with the Two of Wands energy. And yeah, Aquarius, they want to come forward to you because they think that if they will miss this opportunity, they will miss you, they will lose you. What is this Queen of Swords? Why are you so cold? Queen of Swords, please. King of Pentacles, Eight of Swords, Empress. So that's why you are very cold, because Aquarius, you think that at the time that was very like special time for you, when you want to get your abundance, but they had made you stuck. They had made you stuck in their situation with you, and they have keep you away from your abundance. That's why you are becoming a cold person. But you have to be in the higher vibration energy, and you have to be courteous. You have to let go and forgive them. Let them go and forgive them. Yeah, release them, because if they are coming for you for the communication, let that happen with them, and have that clear communication, and tell them everything, the facts, and whatever you want to tell them, and also listen to them with mindfulness, and then whatever is your decision, told them, and don't resist your happiness for anyone else. Just go towards it. Okay, what is this Nine of Wands in the heart of your spread, Aqua? Nine of Wands for the Aquarius, please. High Priest. Yeah, this wants to come out. Justice, Ten of Wands. Yeah, your intuition is keep telling you that stay balanced, don't do overwork. Stay balanced, don't do overwork. Make healthy boundaries. You're doing that. But at the same time, we have tens here, which is endings and new beginnings. And you want a new beginning in your life. You want a balanced connection. You want a happy connection. You want an abundant relationship, an abundant connection with this person. But from the past experience, that they had made you stuck with them, and they had keep you away from your abundance because of them. That's why you just want to have this communication and then ending. Okay, what is this Six of Cups for the Aquarius, please, from 15th to 21st of June? Queen of Wands. Okay, King and Queen of Wands are here. Two more, please. Ten of Pentacles. Okay, Two of Pentacles. So we have three tens here: Ten of Pentacles, Ten of Wands, Ten of Swords. Definitely you have set your mind. You have made up your mind. That you want stability. You don't want any kind of this backstabbing, and you don't want any kind of overburdened situation. You want balance, you want equality, you want abundance, nothing else. A very strong pure connection. not less than it. Yeah. Okay. What is this Four of Wands energy? What is this Four of Wands energy? Queen of Cups, Fool, and the third one, please. Ace of Pentacles. Yeah. And you know that with the Queen of Cups energy, you have faith in the universe. You know that the universe will provide you a very beautiful new beginning, and that will be stable for you, that will be colorful for you, that will be happy for you, that will make you happy, abundant, make you stable, like that will make you feel like protected, because you have faith in the universe, and universe is giving you whatever you are wanting right now. This is the time for you, Aquarius, for your happiness, abundance, prosperity, the new beginnings. If the person of the past will change, you will accept them, otherwise you will cut them out of your life, and you will move forward towards the new beginning, because you know there is something better for you from the universe. Beautiful. So this is I have for you, Aquarius. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.